2, 1. No, I'm just kidding. So I've decided that I'm gonna do an unboxing video for my first video. I'm gonna do all kinds of things on this YouTube channel. I don't know. I'll do whatever I want to do because it's my YouTube channel. Well, I am Sunny Hepburn. Nice to meet you. Mom of 2. Wife, entrepreneur, salesperson, currently unemployed. So we're gonna do an unboxing video. So I still get an Ipsy bag. The light. So I still get a monthly Ipsy bag, and actually I don't do it monthly anymore. I do every other month. They let me do that, and I pay every other month. I think I pay like $12 a bag rather than $10 a bag. And I could, it makes sense, it's affordable, but like, you know, you sign up for these little things, $10 here, $8 there, $12, it adds up. And I'm trying to be financially smart. So I stick with the Ipsy bag because you can get some great things at a really great price. So let's see what we got. This is my bag for February. And first thing I notice is a makeup brush. This is I'm not a real makeup brush person. I got into makeup, but I'm not really into makeup. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face, so I must not care that much. So this is a Moda Pro Accentuate brush. Full brush valued at $7.99, $8. It seems like a very nice brush. So it's like one to glow all winter. Highlighter is the easiest way to do it. And thanks to this fluffy highlighter brush, applying it has never been easier. It's the perfect size for precisely applying highlighter anywhere you want. And the pro quality bristles blend like a dream and won't shed or separate. That's what they say. Tip: this brush is also the perfect size and shape for applying setting powders under your eyes. Ooh, honey, because we need that. So this is cute. $8, right? That's the value of that. It came in this super cute little bag. It feels like velvet.
What is that, velvet? This is beautiful. What is this?
I like to use these as makeup bags, as sanitary oopsie bags. So, oh no, it's an emergency. Somebody needs a tampon, a maxi pad, whatever. I'll just throw some stuff in here, throw it in my bag. If I'm traveling, throw it in my bag. I have a 10-year-old, and I've made her a little kit. So when her time comes, she's got a cute little bag. These are fun. I give them away. They're fun. All right, so I also have a eyeshadow. So this is the Lush Eyeshadow Highlighter City Limits. City Limits. So that's cute. What is that? So let's see the color. Huh. All right. Oh, this is so tiny. This is tiny. So this is by IBY. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a pretty color. Let's see. So it looks bronzy. A little bronzy color. Ooh, that's not bad. I would probably use it like as an eyeshadow or something. See how that looks. Okay. Okay. Okay, hunty. So we'll keep it, right? It's not bad. All right, let's hurry this video up. So we've got that. Oh, so let's talk about it. So that one is the IBY Beauty Highlighter Eyeshadow. So this good for your skin eyeshadow is a perfect way to show your lids some love. The velvety metallic raisin color, it is a raisin color, is infused with rose hip seed oil to nourish and protect your lids. I'm doing something right now. What is it? It's crease free and long wearing, plus it's vegan and free of talc, mineral oil, and parabens. It says it's valued at $20. We'll see. Yes, dear.
Can I have another cupcake?
How many have you had?
One.
You've had one cupcake? Okay, you can have 2. Go ahead.
Yay!
Yay, don't come back. I'm busy.
Okay.
Bye, love you.
Love you too.
So I would say that was velvety. It is a raisin color, so bully for you. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, what is this? So this is a matte lip paint, Red Sea by Colored Rain. May your lipstick game always be fierce. Yeah, fierceness. Red Sea is the color. That's nice. Fierce. Ooh, look at that. Yes, honey. All right, let's try it on. You've got nothing. Oh, look at that. Nothing. Sorry if you didn't want to see that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Mama's Fierce. I like this. I like this a lot. And Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Okay, so this one is Colored Rain Cosmetics. Excuse me. Colored Rain Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Red Sea. From feathering to fading, red deep lips can be tricky. This beautiful maroon liquid lipstick gives you all the boldness with none of the hassle. Yes, this baby doesn't budge. Seriously, and the creamy formula dries to a gorgeous matte finish. That's 0% drying, plus one swipe gives you intense color. Y'all saw, this is worth $17. For a smooth color, prep your lip with a scrub, like a sugar honey scrub. So you like exfoliate your lips and then go. Usually if it's a color stay like this is, let's see, so there's nothing on my pinky. It's not color stay though, so whatever. But it does go on pretty nice. $18. I pay $12 for this bag. Okay, so this one is Tarte. It's a Tarte eyeliner by Tarte. Duh. What does it say? It says Sex Kitten. Ooh, look at this. Wow. So it's a liquid eyeliner. Yeah. Liquid eyeliners are fun. Ooh, look at that. Let me see. I'm not good at this. Not bad. Hey, I'm not good. Maybe I'll get better. Boop, boop. Not bad. Okay, so liquid eyeliner. You can never go wrong. And that's why I really love this bag, because liquid eyeliner, a good one, is like $20 or $15 or something. You get yourself a little Ipsy bag. Hello. That's why I stopped doing it monthly. I was getting too much and I wasn't using it. But this one is the Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner in Black. Date night, girls night, this baby creates liner looks for every occasion. This fast drying formula is smear proof, budge proof, and everything else proof for up to 12 hours. Let's hope I can get this off of my face. I'm not going anywhere. The Soft Flex felt tip gives you a ton of control, making it easy to draw crisp lines and dramatic flicks. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty free. I'm a vegetarian. I used to be vegan. I love cheese too much. And I do eat eggs. So I'm an ovo-lacto vegetarian. I'm actually going to be getting some chickens in the back. But I do eat cheese, so whatever. But I don't eat animals because I love them too much. And so what else do we got? I think we have one more thing. A good face wash. So this one is Tula by Tula Skincare. It's a probiotic and superfood, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. Always good to get a face cleanser, take care of your skin. That's what you should do. Get a good face cleanser, use a moisturizer. And if you're 25 and you're getting older and older and older, get a freaking eye cream. Eye cream. I need more eye cream, okay? So the Tula, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. Meet your go-to cold weather cleanser. This refreshing gel formula gets rid of dirt and makeup without stripping skin of moisture. It's also loaded with healthy ingredients, including chicory root, a natural anti-inflammation and a natural anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich turmeric root and blueberry, and probiotics to hydrate. Oh, I like it. Tip: splash your skin with cool water after cleansing to close pores and keep dirt and germs out. So this is a baby one. It says the full-size version is $28, but this is 30 milliliters. And then 200 milliliters is $28. If you want to do the math, feel free. I'm not going to do that. But I wanted to do an unbagging and unboxing, one of those videos, and I'm happy the first one I'm doing is for Ipsy because I've been a fan and a subscriber for like 3 years and I freaking love them. So check them out. They've got good stuff. As you can see, like lips, if I was paying attention and I was trying, I'd probably do a better job. But that's not bad. This stuff, this is good shit. I'm gonna use this, okay? Tarte liquid eyeliner, poppin'. If you know what to do with it, you know what to do with it, and you could probably do a better job than I can. But that was a lot of fun. The eyeliner, not the eyeliner, the eyeshadow in the raisin color. This that's on my eye, it's not bad. I like it. Super cute. I can toss it in a little bag. I've got my makeup brush. Nice little brush. What else? And I think that's it. And the eyeliner. Good stuff, right? So all in all, it says this bag is worth $50 or upwards of $50. And I would say so. Try it out. Maybe I'll get a link. Click the link. Maybe I'll put it in there. I don't know. Well, come back. That was fun, right? If you want me to do another one, let me know and I'll do another one. And then maybe I'll beat this face and comb my hair. Ooh, I do want to do a natural hair video. As you can tell, this girl's a natural. And I'm getting grays. I'm getting old. Aging on YouTube. That's my channel. Boom. Well, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, come back, refer a friend.